This is so cool. So this is a. So.
But I was at boxing
Oh.
before at one.
Oh,
Yeah,
you-
she called me because
Right.
she is my girlfriend.
Oh, right, right,
We live in the west side.
right. This street is more like
I
a.
love it. I love it.
What is this actually?
I had no idea, but it's a dog.
Oh.
You want me to do it like that?
Hmm.
I don't know how to do it. Like this.
Ah.
But I don't know what I mean.
こんばんは。こんばんは。
とっても it's a girls bar.
Oh, it's a
You
girls
can see
bar.
it. You can recognize it.
Usually, girls bar is shooting is not allowed, or
You want me to explain for her?
yeah.
Hey, guys. Girls bar. This
Girls bar.
60分3000円。
あ、
どうですかお兄さん。
60,000。
どうですかお兄さん。福岡の人はね、優しいんですよ。
優しいですか？
優しいんですよ。
あ
とっても優しいんですよ。
あ、すごい。
福岡の人はね、とても優しい。
撮影できますかここで？
違う。
動画撮ることが。あ、
わかんない。やることない。
ヤギマン。
やげま。
Yeah, like me. Fucking guy. Tokyo is more.
Yeah,
So,
Tokyo is.
fight.
Yeah, it's but I never seen in Tokyo too.
Okay.
I only saw like 1-2 times just argument, no physical fight and everything.
Okay.
Yeah. This.
So you stay here for two days or
Until Friday.
until Friday?
Yeah.
It's the first time in here?
Yeah, it's first time in
Oh,
Fukuoka.
nice.
Yeah. Any recommendation in around here?
My recommendation is, I think, because it's the cheapest one.
Cheapest one?
2,980 yen. Like, it's option.
Mm,
If you pay the money,
right.
you can do it like this.
Oh.
It's 2,980 yen. It's
Tuta-
the
is it-
store's name. But I think, I don't know what's that. It's around here,
Mm.
but it's the best. Because I think Japanese is not rich.
Ah,
I think
right.
rich is rich, but the majority people is rich.
Ah, right. It's like above average. Yeah, it's average. Yeah.
Yeah, average is like it.
Mm. But is it very popular in Japan? This.
It's very, very popular.
Mm.
You can say anything
Mm.
because I'm a talent.
Ah.
Yes, man. I'm a
Okay.
talent. You want to say anything?
I don't know. You want?
They catch,
The-
catch some people?
they catch. They're working at Girls Bar.
Girls bar.
Right.
It depends.
Mm.
Girls bar, I think the clothes
Mm.
is more longer.
Right.
Longer than キャバクラ知ってる？キャバクラ。
カバクラ知ってる知ってる。
キャバクラ。I don't know how to say in English. キャバクラ。
カバクラ they say.
難しい。キャバクラ is キャバクラ。
Yes.
So, the girls bar is the more longer.
Right.
We can stay longer. Like
Ah.
this. It's everything the girls bar, I think.
Mm.
Like it.
So I want to ask you a question. So
Yeah,
you know
go ahead.
everything. There is too many type of this in Japan, like concept cafe, maid cafe, girls bar, and then kabakura, right?
Yeah, man. So you want me to explain that what's the difference between
Yeah. Those.
girls bar? It's really difficult
Mm.
because I get insurance, not insurance. What is the insurance? Not insurance.
Ah.
Like what? Certificate.
Certificate. Ah.
Certificate. We should get the certificate
Mm.
to open
Right.
sex industry or something.
Right.
It's a really difficult.
Ah, it's
You
difficult.
have to pay a lot of money
Right.
to police.
Right.
What's that? Okay, girls bar.
Mm.
The girls
Mm.
can serve
Serve
the
alcohol.
between
Right.
the table.
Right. Between the table.
The between table.
Yeah.
But kabakura,
Mm.
there can't sit.
They can sit together.
Not together, like the next to
Next to each other.
next to the customer.
Customer, right. Shooting some of them. Okay, you think?
You came here alone.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. But
Because I don't go to the girls bar actually.
Right.
In here,
right.
because I'm busy. I'm fucking busy.
Yeah. You're busy. Yeah, you should be very busy. Wow, it's so amazing. Now it's like midnight.
It's like
Mm.
I think the same as the Tokyo
In Kabukicho.
Kabukicho.
Right.
Like Kabukicho.
But it feels here they have more. I don't know. It seems more freedom here compared to
I
Kabukicho,
think
Tokyo.
Kabukicho is more freedom.
Really?
Better than here.
Ah.
Better than here. Because that's authentic Japanese.
Right.
I think
Hmm.
authentic Japanese mind.
Right. Ah.
Kabukicho,
Yeah.
all together.
All together. Right. So.
Can I say develop?
So generally, this industry is very old in Japan, right?
It's a very old. The owner is very old,
Right.
and here, because we know each other.
Ah.
Everyone,
Oh, everybody knows each other
everyone know each other.
in this industry.
Not in this industry, but
Right.
it's a very small. The Fukuoka is really small.
Fukuoka. Right.
It's really small.
Okay,
And
yeah.
then everyone know each other.
Right. Fukuoka.
You know?
Yeah. Oh,
You wanna know?
what is this?
It's like いらっしゃいませ like this and explain which
Oh, they explain the
they
area.
explain the area like which
Information. Which part you go?
yeah information that's free information
Free information.
and what do you want to know, what do you want to do that, oh what do you want, how much can it pay the money.
They give you general information.
Yes.
Right. It's a good service.
You know Yakuza, like
Is it's for Yakuza?
actually not,
No?
but some people.
Some people.
I'm not Yakuza, but I have a lot of tattoos.
Right.
But everyone called me I Yakuza, but
Right.
not.
You're not.
Definitely not. Definitely not. You want me
Cool.
to film inside?
Inside it?
You want me to film inside? I'm gonna explain this.
Is it okay?
I tried to.
Okay. All right.
なんかしたいらしいです。そういうまで。難しい。
It's
難しい
okay.
らしいです。
Yeah, 難しい。
お酒いっぱい飲んでそうなんだって
So interesting.
Yeah, really interesting. What? I want to ask you, why Japanese lady, every country's guy love the Japanese lady, I think.
Oh,
Why?
why is that? Yeah.
It's even the ugly, but you know, the good guy
Right.
can the ugly Japanese lady. I'm so bad feeling. I don't know what to mean. どうですか、おじさん。4000円ですよ。
Yonsan?
どうですか。どうですか。どうですか。めっちゃ有能なんで。どうですか、奥さん。どうですか。
すごい。
You know, I'm a sales.
Oh,
I'm a
sales.
sales.
Right.
I'm a sales owner.
Okay.
Okay.
So you know the industry, how it
I
works.
have
Yeah.
the sex industry as well.
Right.
いらっしゃいませ。来世いらっしゃいませ。
いらっしゃいませ。
いらっしゃいませ。
いらっしゃいませ。